In this video, we are going to look about the history of Linuxes. So the first Linux was being known as Debian based. So Debian is the first Linux which was being launched in 1991. It was being launched by one of the computer science student called as Linus Torvalds. So he had built this operating system that could run on his Intel 80386 based PC. He was inspired by Unix systems. So that's how the Linux was being built. The first version of Linux was known as 0.01 Linux, which was being launched on September 17, 1991. Then there was one more Linux which was being launched, that was Red Hat. Red Hat is a Linux which was being released on 1994. So in 1994, this Linux distribution had an enterprise market. So it was being launched for this enterprise purposes. Then Ubuntu is one of the most used operating system nowadays for running a server or a Docker. Then we have Fedora Linux systems. We also have Linux Mint, which is also a very friendly operating system. Then we have Arch Linuxes. If we want to use Linux for security, then we have Kali Linux as well as Parrot Linux. So this has been created, these two operating systems are been created completely for cybersecurity purposes. Then we also have open source Gentoo Linux, CentOS, Manjaro, and Plasma, which is also been called as KDE. So that's how the Linux distributions are being worldwide